Small town, water tower, sitting by a river bank. Beneath the shade of the lone cypress, I learned a lot of lessons here. Caloosahatchee, Okeechobee, these names are familiar to me. They tell the story of a place that I come from. When you leave, you make believe that you can always return. And that time will just stand by and not change the place you call home. Mary and Jack lived down the street. That old man taught me to build. Mary, rest her soul, her smile always glowed. She taught me to tickle the keys so well. Their house is empty now, yet somehow I still feel their presence here. When you leave, you make believe that you can always return. And that time will just stand still and not change what you call home. That's not how it works. The truth sometimes hurts. Home is not the place you come from. Home is what you make it. Home, you can take it anywhere you roam. Home is what you make it. Home, you can take it anywhere you roam. Keith and I used to fish that spillway, catching snook with the break of dawn. Now here I stand, a broken man, and Keith, he's already gone. When you leave, you make believe that you can always return. And time will just stand still and not change what you call home. But that's not how it works. The truth sometimes hurts. Home is not where you come from. Home is what you make it. Home, you can take it anywhere you roam. if it takes me when I visit, 'cause Joe has passed on. When you leave, you make believe